Almost all Sweden's rail traffic originates or terminates in Stockholm. This makes the rail link known as Getingmidjan, or the Wasp's Waste between Stockholm Central and Stockholm Södra, the busiest in the entire country. It's being upgraded and modernised for the trains of the future and the passengers of tomorrow. The investment is vital for the improvement of punctuality throughout Sweden. For a third and final summer, rail traffic on the link is being suspended for 8 weeks to change the superstructure of the bridge over Norrström, the link's most critical and complicated operation. In late 2017, repair and reinforcement work began on the bridges over Söderström and Södermälarstrand, and in the tunnels under Södermalm and at Riddarholmen. In the summer of 2019, the rail bridges over Söderström and Södermälarstrand were replaced. The bridge over Söderström is 200 metres long and weighs 1,400 tonnes. Tens of kilometres of electric, telecom and signal cables were laid out and connected. In the summer of 2020, it's time to replace the rail bridge over Norrström between Tegelbacken and Riddarholmen. First, the old pedestrian and bicycle bridge is dismantled. After that, the superstructure of the railway bridge will be split into 13 sections. Then each lifted off using cranes and barges. On the exposed bridge supports, the 65 bridge bearings that the new bridge will rest on are changed. The new bridge was built in Tallinn, in 2 sections. Before the bridge superstructures can be transported, complicated installations must be completed. Vital preparation work before the arrival of the bridge in Stockholm. Rails and switches have to be installed. It's a challenge when 2,200 steel base plates must be fitted with millimetre tolerance to 10,000 screw attachment points. On top of that, the bridge over Norrström has as many as 8 closely positioned switches. A world's first. A scissors crossover with 4 turnouts. A single crossover with 2 turnouts. And 2 single turnouts. In comparison, the bridge over Söderström has straight double tracks. These complex and adjustable parts further increase the difficulty level of the work. The first stop for the bridge sections is at Södertälje. There they are loaded with the help of mobile trailers onto smaller barges. The first section, the northernmost, is then transported through Södertälje Canal via Lake Mälaren to Norrström. The bridge section is placed near the bridge supports. The northernmost barge pivots almost 90 degrees and a crane lifts off the southern end of the bridge. Then the barge advances to the bridge supports. The southern barge is towed away and the bridge is manoeuvred in over the bridge supports, where, with extreme precision, it is lowered into its final position. The southern bridge section is installed in the same way, with barges and cranes lifting the bridge into position. The fit is precise to the millimetre, and when the bridge is in place, the rails are welded together. In the transition zones north and south of the bridge, the rail fastenings are cast onto concrete slabs. Finally, all other technical installations are installed. New signals, posts, signage and contact lines. In the tunnels, existing contact lines are replaced by rigid overhead conductor rails. Tens of kilometres of electric, signal and telecom cables have to be positioned exactly. 5,000 wires are connected to switchgear, signals and switches before the railway link can be tested and put into operation. It's a procedure that requires about 3,000 drawings. When rail traffic is again underway, preparations start for the assembly of the new pedestrian and bicycle bridge, to be ready by the end of the year. The upgrading and modernising of Getingmidjan in its entirety will be completed by late 2021. After several years of meticulous planning and demanding work, trains and passengers will again be able to safely travel in and out of Stockholm. Sweden's most important railway link is getting a modern and future-proof upgrade and a new technical lifespan of 80 years.